This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let's see, guys. So we have discussed a lot of things, right? In our previous classes, like object creation, fields creation, and global search tab section, all these kind of things. Tab creation we have seen. Okay, object creation and tabs creation. You can so set here object and tabs. Go there and create. Okay, for one object you can create only one tab. Okay, and the tab name will be the plural name of the object. Okay, when you are creating object, so you are giving plural label name, right? So that name system will automatically take as a tab name. Okay, that's it. Next. And what is the difference between object and tab? Object is used to create records and to create, used to store records and used to create fields. But a tab is used to simply to create, update, and to delete so records. Okay, object is used to store the records, but tab is used to create the records like that. So with the help of tab only we can create records, update records, delete records, like that we do. And next, we have created different kind of fields, right, in our previous classes. Now we are going to see the remaining data types. So let's see, we have created text area 255 we have seen, and let's see the remaining data types. Education details, full address. So let's see, student name, I think we have created. So I want to see records. So what I need to do, I need to click on students. Click on it and you can see here Srimas Mohan Srivalli. Few other records I have created. Okay, let's go here. The educational details, give full details and full address. So we are going to give there. Let's see here. Okay, so for that I need to create a field. Good. So if I need to create a field, means what I need to do? I need to go to object detail page. So let's see, let me show you guys. This is what? This is a record. Okay, that means record detail page. So you need to see the difference between all these things, guys. Record detail page. Okay, when you are on a record, single record, this is record detail page. And when you edit the record, this is record edit page. Record edit page. Okay, so because I'm going to use these words regularly, so you need to remember all these words. Record edit page. Okay, record detail page, record edit page. Okay, now I want to create a new field. If I want to create a new field, I need to go to object particularly. So field will be created for objects only, guys. Okay, we can't create anywhere else. So for that, what I need to do, I need to go to object. So standard navigation is set up, search for objects and go there. And so quick navigation is what you can click on this quick access menu, and from here, so go to view object. Okay, so once you click on this one, you will land on a page, single page, and the page is nothing but student object detail page. Okay, this is what, guys, student object detail page. So object detail page. Okay, object detail page. So previously we have seen record detail page and the record edit page. Now object detail page. Here we can see all object related things like see label name, plural label name, and other things, standard field section and custom field section, and so many other sections are there. We will discuss later these about these sections. Good. Now let's see, create a new field. Let's go. And you need to select the data type. Which data type? We have already seen text and text area. And now actually see here full address. Now I'm going to create a full address field so that our institute peoples, VLR institute peoples, they can store students full address details. Actually, so full address means it has so many characters. So for that one, I want to select text area long. Okay, I want to select a text area long. Once you select a text area long, what happened? So here, can you see how many characters can you store? 1,31,000 characters you can store while creating a record. Okay, but for text area, only 255 characters you can store. So let's go here. That is the difference, guys. So what is this one? Copy this full address. Okay, so here field label name and field name. Okay, so we will see what is the field name usage, field name, field label name usage. I think I explained, right? Field name means what is the use of field name? Use it to display on record page. That's it. Field name means
For development purpose, it will use.
yeah. So use it to create API name. Okay, let's see here. So let's see. I have so field name I have added, and we will see. Click on next button. Okay, skip this one. So generally, what is this meaning? So this field can be viewed by different users. That's it. If they are creating, other users also creating the records, and so they can see so this field. That is the meaning of this one in a high level. Okay, in depth we will see later. And next, save it. Good. I have created a field. So what is that field? Full address. Okay, this is the label name and API name. So let's see here API name. How the API name is created? How the API name is created? So API name will be created like this only. Field name, okay, concatenate underscore C. This is how so API name is created, guys. Okay, this is how API name is created. Field name plus this one. So that means what? Like this field name. In this situation, what is the field name? Edit. So click on this one field, any field, click on it, link. Okay, this is the field name, right? Okay, field name concatenate with underscore C. So now the output is what? Here you can see in the next line, field name underscore C. This is what concatenation plus symbol means. Concatenating means merging, you are going to merge something. So that's it, guys. Okay, field name and append with underscore C. So Salesforce will append underscore C at the end of the field name only. That's it. So it is like that. If you have any confusion, field name at the end, Salesforce append underscore C, add underscore C. That's it. That's how API will create. API name will create. Okay, that's it. Next, good. We created a field, full address field. Now, while creating the field, you have selected 32,768 only. Let's go here. Let me show you. Edit. Okay. So here maximum length you have given 32,768. So, but see here, because you know about your project and about your customers data also. So maximum it won't cross more than this. Okay, that's why. So this 1,31,000, however, you are not going to use. Okay, that's why you can add like this only. But in real time, suppose if really the full address is like so many characters are there, I mean 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh characters are there, you can give like that only. How much? 1 lakh like that. Suppose 1,20,000 characters are there, you can give 1,20,000. Otherwise, total characters are there, you can give 1,31,000. Like this also you can give, not a problem. Okay, and next length is that one. Visible lines. You see here visible lines. I have given 3, right? Good. Okay, let me give 5. So now it is 5 visible lines. So we will see where is this visible lines will apply. That's it. Okay, let's go to student record. Click on any record, edit, and now so full address. So you see here. So is it like a text area long or not? It is like text area long only. Okay, text area only. Text area long. So both are text area, but long means more characters you can enter. That's the difference. Okay. So address, full address means like give full address means like current address. Both are same. Save it. Okay. So you see here, whatever address you have given, current address like this you can. Okay. The only difference is what from text area to text area long, just character length is more. Okay. In text area long you can enter more characters. In text area you can enter only 255 characters. That is the only difference. That's it. And I said edit lines how many? 5, right? So let's see here. If you click on edit, by default only 5 only you can edit it. Okay. If you don't expand this one by default, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you expand this one, so more, I mean, you can so add it like that. But by default only it will display 5. So by default means in the field on visible lines we have seen that one only, right? That's the reason. So where we have seen visible lines full address, you see here visible lines 5. Okay, so that's what here. Next. So I want to add educational details also. Okay, I want to add educational details also. Students' educational details. Not I. Our institute wants to add educational details. So for them, we need to create one more field. So if I want to create a field means, so I can directly go here, click on this view object, and there I can create it. So let's click on view fields. What is the difference between this one and this one? We will see. Click on view fields from quick access menu. Okay, custom field section directly. So you are landed on this section only. Okay, directly you landed on this section only, right? So you go here. What is this page? Again, object detail page only. Okay, student object detail page only. In that page only, so you landed over here. Okay, that's it. And click on new button and let's create the remaining data types quickly. Text area rich I want to go. So text area long I have seen, and next text area rich. What is the difference? Let's see here. How many maximum characters you can enter it? 1,31,072 characters you can enter it. So it is same as a text area long, right? In text area long also you can enter same characters. But we will see the difference between both. Click on next button. So what is this one? Educational details. So here again visible lines 25 we will see. We have given can give water and by default 32,000. Okay, because they don't want to waste so their memory, that is the reason. And field label name. Okay, click on next button. Skip this one. We are assigning these fields to different users. Skip and save it. That's it. So you have created one field. Okay, educational details. Data type is what? Rich text area. Okay, so rich text area. Text area we have seen, text area long we have seen, and the rich text area. Rich. Only difference from long to is here it is rich. Let's see what is the rich meaning. Okay, good. Go to student. go to any one record, any record, edit it, and let's see. It's loading. Wait, yeah. So this is what rich text area. This is a long text area. What is the difference? Long text area means only like this only. But rich text area means whatever you are entering, you can add some kind of styles. That's what. Okay. So select this one, the educational details. BTech simply. BTech. Okay, like this you can add. Mm. I'm just giving all simple details. The immediate I'm adding. Okay, select bold. So like that you can add all these details, guys. Okay. So these are 25 lines only you can visible at a time. Okay, that's what here. If you want next enter, right, something like let's say here. Copy it. So you see here, maximum 25 lines only you can visible. So visible lines are 25, that is the reason. So here you can see a scroll bar and like that you can add it. Okay. And even so if you want to do some kind of styles like see here italic, you make it as italic like that. And underscore if you want to give like give underscore, simply remove this one, give underscore fully. Okay. So this is also if you want underscore you can give, not a problem. Remove this kind of things. That's what different colors. Even you can insert images also and bullets also. Okay, like this bullets you can add like that. Okay, so like in Word format, so you are seeing simple things, right? A few of the things, those things you can see here. And image also if you want, right? So you need to click on this one, and you can see you can upload only PNG, GIF, JPG image only, and maximum image there should be 1 MB, and more than that you can add. Okay, from my web also you can get the image, and so from your local system like your laptop or desktop, so from there also you can get the image. Okay, so let me check 1 second. Okay, you are not seeing any screen, right? Hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
in
sir.
convert.
Yes, yes, not.
Yeah, yes,
Yes, sir.
Mohan.
Yeah, 1 second, let me land on screen. Okay, now you are seeing the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see here, click on this one. So just I clicked on this choose file button, so that what happened, once I click on, it will pop up my local system folders, and from there I can select one image I selected, and that's it. Okay, JPG image. So JPG image also it will support. Click on insert. That's it. Okay, so that's it, guys. I clicked on it. So student image I can so add over here. That means institute people they can add student image over here also. Okay, so that's what text area rich, guys. Save it. Okay. all details will be displayed like this. So this is what text area rich text area, and text area long we have seen. Next we will see the remaining data types also. Okay, quick access menu, click on view fields. Okay, go here, and remaining what data types are left, guys? Text encrypted, right? Let's see text encrypted. Let's click on it. So we will see once we see the output. Okay, now encryption. Encryption means like a security kind of thing, right? Okay, now I want to store, I mean, institute want to store some kind of bank or PAN number like that. Think in that way, they want to store PAN number, okay, or bank number, okay, account number. In future, if they want to credit or debit details, right? So, I mean, that's why they are storing your bank details. So let's go here, student bank details, bank account number. Okay, so let's see length, you can give maximum. So 255 characters only, maximum 255 characters. How much you want, you can give. Like I'm just giving 18 maximum. Okay, now you see here mask type. What is this mask type like this? Let's see one by one. Mask type is select mask all characters like that. So select anyone, we will see. Mask character. So select this one. What is now? It is an example. Output will be like this. On record, okay. On this record, once if you enter the data, the output will be like this. That's what they are showing. Okay. Like simply, if you go to a page, any page in websites, whenever you enter a data and you see there like password is there, simply thinking that a password, it will be like this, right? Once you are logging into anything and when you are logging in, you are entering password. So whatever you are entering after entered, so the screen will be like this. Okay, now let's see here. This is what, so it is what mask means, you know, right? Human beings, suppose you wear mask, and so they used to so tell wear mask like that. If you wear mask, it will hide your face, right? Your face is original, and so mask will hide your face. Same way here also, mask all characters, that means whatever you are entering here, suppose think in that way, whatever I'm entering here, so it will mask all characters will be masked by this one. That's what the meaning of this one. Okay, now mask last four characters like that. So see, I mean clear last four characters, so last four letters only will be displayed, and so the remaining will be masked. And the credit card number, so it is like the format is like a credit card number. So totally in the credit card number, how many guys? 16, right? So standard, worldwide standard or India wide standard, so format this one credit card. National insurance wise formats, security wise like this. Okay, some social security, social insurance number. So let's go to credit card format. Okay, that's it. Mask type is what? Credit card format, mask characters, this one example. So click on next button. So skip this one, again save it finally. Good. Okay, so now let's see, you created a field called bank account number, encrypted, and so maximum 18 characters only you can enter. That's it. Let's go to the record. Let's enter the data on any one record or any other record also, not a problem. And let's see the output. Bank account number, suppose it starts with like this, right? Maximum how many I entered, guys? 4 4 8 8 plus 3 8 plus 4 12 16. Is it 16 or 14? Credit card number, bank account. So you see here, whatever I entered, it masked. System masked all the characters and display last four characters only. So this is how credit card also. Suppose credit card means, see here, you used to get emails, right? every month you used to get emails, and during that time, so they will show you, so for this account number you need to pay this amount, like that, right? And during that time email, right, you will see last 4 digits only, the remaining will be masked. Okay, so that's how it will work, guys. And if you want to edit, right, let's see, either inline editor, whatever it may be, let's check here. So that's it. You can't see again one more time. For the first time only, and for second time onwards, you can see this X only. But in the database, the original data will be there. Don't worry. Okay, with the help of coding, we can retrieve the original data. But the mask happened in UI only, front end only. The mask happened only front end, but in the database, original data is there. So what happened if they mask like this means they don't misuse this bank account numbers. I mean receptions, other receptions, if they see, right, they don't misuse so these bank account numbers. That's why so they have given security. That's what text is. Suppose and you want to give any secret code like that for each user, if they want to give secret code, and they go here, create a field, and during the time they select mask all characters and choose star symbol. Okay, you need to choose now symbol is star for secret code kind of thing, and mask all characters so that all characters will be masked. Okay, and next I want to create another field. Let's go here, click on this one, and so we have created text area long, text area rich, good. So leave it about the time, no need, guys. And let's see, go for URL. Okay, let's see. Now URL, let's see what is the use of this URL or website. I can say it as a website. Okay, why I need website? Simply, you see here, for VLR Institute, directly students come and they joined, and also like that from companies also they will come. Okay, directly from companies. So company manager come to the institute, and so company manager used to ask them like, hey, so you need to give training for my employees also, freshers. So 40 freshers joined and you need to give training. So I will send all of them to your institute, so you can so give a training for them. If they said like that, what we can do? Okay, so we can add all the student details under something like that. Okay, good. And so website, right here, I mean, when you are creating the student record, right, we can add website here. Like suppose from Accenture employees came, I can add Accenture website. Understand? Like that. Generally, in this situation, that is one example. Okay, that's all. So because these employees come from that Accenture only, that's why. Okay. Now here I can say it as website. That's it. Description, help text. Now, okay, help text. So here, as of now, we are creating the fields and we are skipping a lot of things here, right? Let's go here, help text, and do something. Like write something. Enter employees company website. Okay. If they are from a company. Okay. If they are from a company, then enter that so details. That's what, right? So click on next button. You have added on help text. Help text. Let's see what is the benefit of. Skip. Finally save it. Good. So now you see here website and URL is the data type. Okay. Let's see. Maximum how many characters? Maximum 255 characters. Let's go to students and go to any one record, edit it, and let's see here, go down website. So what is this one, guys? You are reading something question mark symbol. For all other fields there is no question mark, but for this field a question mark is there. So Can anyone can? So let me read it. So enter employees company website if they are from a company. I have written this one in help text box. Okay, I have written this one in help text box. Let me show you. View fields website, right? So go here. Where is the help text? Yeah, here you see here. In help text, whatever I have written, so that's what you are seeing here. Okay, if you click on. So what is the benefit of this one? It helps employees or it helps the sales team or management team so to check thoroughly what this field meaning is and exactly what they need to enter it. Okay, that's what. So by seeing this one, they can enter https://accenture.com like that. Okay, so click on it simply. Okay, good. So this is how it will store. So if you click on it, it will open like this. It will ask you, can I leave this page or not? So once you click on the leave button, and you can see here, it takes you to that website, Accenture website. Okay, that's it. That is the benefit of the URL. Okay, next. Next field we will create it. I want to cover all the fields now itself. Okay, done. So these sections are completed. These fields are. And next, so pick list field also I think I have completed. Am I completed pick list field, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Nice. Okay. So pick list multi-select I have not completed, right? So now next we will see pick list multi-select. Okay. In name itself, meaning I mean, so meaning is there. We will see. Like I have created which field for pick list? Country, city, right? Okay. So next I want to go with like I want to create courses simply. Okay, courses simply. Here I have different courses in this institute. Institute is giving offering different kind of courses like Salesforce and what are the courses they can offer? AWS, spoken English. Just give me. Okay, SaaS and data science. Okay, like that. Let's see. So I'm going to see here. These are the what data. If any user select like courses field here, I mean, so they can see these are the available courses in the list. They can see, and from that they can select. Okay, good. Now I want to create a field for that one. So like next, and I will explain to you once we create the field why I selected a multi-select pick list instead of pick list. Okay, there will be a business requirement, that is the reason. So whatever courses Salesforce, and here also you need to enter it is a pick list, right? In next line only. Like that. Okay, so I have added just a few of the courses which are offering here. Nice. And next, okay, restrict, forget about this restricted pick list values, later we will see. And you see here, use first value as a default value. We discussed, right? So use first value as a default value. That means by default, so Salesforce will be displayed. Okay, and display in a alphabetical order. Okay, you can select. If you select this one, whatever order you have given, it won't take. It will take ABC order like that only. Okay. However you want to go through your wish. If you select it, and visible lines 4 you have given. If you want to give 5, not a problem. So let's see here, and help text, whatever help text you want, right? You add it, not a problem. Okay, and as of now, we have seen. Okay, let's later we will see about the required. Click on next button. Okay, skip this one finally, then save it. Good. So let's see. You have created a field. What is that field? Courses, multi-select pick list, and click on the link of the field, and you see here these are the values which are active and inactive. No values are there. Value is displaying purpose, API name is coding purpose. Okay, that's it. And go to students. So go to anyone record. Let's edit it and come down. You see at bottom. So courses. Previously, pick list means you are seeing like country, only one value you can select it, and more than one you can't. But in this situation, you can select how many. Let's see here. Suppose if a student joined for Salesforce and database, you can, even he joined for spoken English, you can add. Even he joined for SQL, you can add. What is this meaning? Multiple values you can select it. Okay, save it. So you can select multiple values. Understand? You can select multiple values. That's why multi-select. Multi means multiple values. You can select it. That's why. So they have given the name is a pick list, multi-select pick list. This is okay. Multi-select pick list. That's why the name came. And once you select on a record detail page, this is what record detail page. You see output like this one. So you need to observe how they separated. So they separated with semicolons. Each value is separated with semicolons. That's it. Okay, it's very important. Once you select an edit page and once you save it, you will be redirected to your detail page. On the detail page, each value will be separated with semicolons. Okay, so that's what multi-select pick list. Multiple values we can select at a time. That's one. Okay. Next, we can create one more field. Guys, am I going fast? Tell me.
No.
Okay, cool. So let's see. So we have covered up to this one. We have covered phone number also, and we have
Checkbox and
covered. Okay. Have we covered email field? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Of course. And number? No, right?
No, sir.
No.
Number and checkbox and currency is there, sir. Date
Yeah,
field
yeah,
also
yeah.
is there.
Yeah. So let's see number field. I'm going bottom down. Number field. Let's create a number field. Select a number field, data type. Let's see. Number field. What I want. Student number. Just number. That's it. Okay. Student number. I'm going to give student number. So let's see here. Did you observe field table? I have given space, and in the field name, system automatically taking underscore. If you don't give underscore, system will throw you error. Just click on next button and you see the error. Okay, because this is going to take as an API name. That is the reason it will throw error. Either there is no gap or you should add anything like that. Okay, to fulfill the gap. To fulfill the gap, give underscore or anything, or don't give the gap. That is your wish. Now I'm not going to give any gap, guys, because see some people in real time what happened, label name will be different and this API name also will be different. Let's say that is the reason. So now itself you need to be aware of all these kind of things. Okay, this label name is different and the field name is different. Okay, and next length is 18 characters. So maximum 18 only, guys. Length. What is the length meaning? I will show you when you enter into the data. So length meaning, you know, right? This meaning how many character, I mean how many characters this length numbers 2 to 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Totally 9. Length is 9. Okay. What is this length? Length is 2. This length is 1. Length is 3. That is what they are telling guys. Okay. Next, after decimal places, how many you want? 0 I have given. So if I give, suppose 2. Okay. If I give 2, what will happen? Here you can give 16. Totally 18 only guys. Totally 18. 16 plus 2, 18. Okay. Like that. So what is this one? 3 dot. So if you can allow to give like this. Decimal places you remember it in 10th class like this. Dot after this one. Okay. That's what 2. Okay. Now I want to create required field. This one as a required. I want to make this one as a required. Okay. So let's see here. This is a required. What will be this one? And next button. Save it. Now you observe the field label name, API name, both. So student number is a field label name, and the API name is what? Number underscore C. How underscore C appended? Field name. Field name is number, and system will add underscore C at the end of the field name. Okay, so number underscore C. That's it. Okay, 16.2. That's the data type. So let's go to student record, and anyone record, open it, edit this record, and you see here at the board. What is this one? Red symbol is there. As of now, you created so many fields, but you have not seen any red symbol. But here only you are seeing red symbol. Red symbol meaning is what? Let's try to save it. So what is meaning? Review all error messages. You must enter a value. Okay, red means required. You must enter a value. How I made this field as a red symbol? Because when I am creating the field, so number field, right? I have checked the checkbox, required checkbox. I have checked it. That's it. Because of that one, so this field is a required one. Okay, 001. You can enter anything. Save it. Okay, I said it is a number field, right? Let's inline edit it. So you see here 1.00. Why dot 00 came again? Because you selected decimal places to, okay, decimal places to. So it is not correct, right? Student number 1.00, so is not correct, right? So remove decimal places. That's it, leave it, no problem. Save it. 2 times click on save button, no decimal places. Now just refresh the page, and now you observe 1. Okay, that's it. Student number means 001. Okay, now good. Okay, now let me add text. I'm adding text, right? Okay, save it. And what is this one? Invalid number. Why? It is a number data type. What is the data type of this field, guys? So number data type. Number data type. So you selected it is a number data type, and so you are entering a text data type like that. It's like when you go to movie, so you bought the ticket to watch English. I mean, Avengers movie. Think in that. You took the ticket for to watch English movie. Guys, mute yourself. Where is this mute option, guys? Mute all. Okay, good. So now let's see here. So it's like you brought the ticket to watch Avengers movie, and you are going to watch Telugu movie. They won't allow, right? Same way here also. Okay. So the data type you selected is number, and you are trying to enter text, so it won't allow. You should enter only number data type only. Okay, that is the benefit of the data types, guys. Okay. Next. One more field. Let me create last field for today. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining things. Let's see. We have covered number. Okay. percent. We will cover currency. Okay, let's go to currency field. So with this today I will finish it. Currency field. Select the currency field, click on next button and see here. So generally, why currency field is needed? Generally, it's money related thing. Any money, if you want to enter here, you can select a currency field only. Okay. So here, I want to student paid fees. I want to select paid fees. So like some people paid 8,000, thinking that way, some people paid 12,000. Some people paid totally 16,000, thinking that way. Some people paid 14,000. Okay, like that, thinking that way. So this is what paid fees. So if I want to enter like this kind of fees, I need to select a data type. I need to create a field first. So to create a field, I need to select the data type. So it is a money related. So all money related things, if you want to store, so you should select currency field only. Okay, you should select the currency field for all money related things. So let's see fees paid, paid fees, paid fees. And it is a money related, means decimals also you can add, no problem, because paisa also will be there, right? That is the reason. Okay, good. And if you want to make it as a required, you can make it any field, you can make it as a required. And the help text also, if you want, you can add it. So enter student paid page. Okay, click on next button. Next, finally save it. Okay, that's it. Good. So let's see, you have created a field. Where is this one? Paid fees. Good. Okay, currency 16.2. That's it. Let's go to record, tab, record, and edit it. Let's go bottom, paid fees. So in help text, I have entered this one, enter student paid fees, right? So like this, enter, suppose he put 12,000, enter it. 12,055 paisa he paid. Okay, save it. So it will store like that. So you can see dollar symbol. So this is from user currency only. Okay, from user
మోహన్
currency.
ఒక డౌట్ మోహన్.
Yeah, అడుగు.
ఇప్పుడు మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్న ఫీల్డ్స్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఏమైనా వస్తాయా? లైక్ ఇక్కడ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్, వెబ్సైట్, కోర్సెస్, స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్ అవన్నీ
రావు.
ఓకే
ఆ కంప్యూటర్లో రావు.
ఓకే
దానికి
మనం
పేజీలో
క్రియేట్ చేస్తే అది వస్తుంది.
ఎస్.
ఓకే
సో ఈ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఇవన్నీ అరేంజ్ చేయాలంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో టాపిక్ ఉంది, పేజీ లేఅవుట్స్, అక్కడ నేను చెప్తాను ఎక్కడ ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది. ఓకే
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, so see here, dollar symbol came from current currency. Okay, that we will see later. Currency also I will explain going forward. Okay, so for today that is enough, guys. So tomorrow we will finish remaining fields and we will see the difference between the standard fields, custom fields, and also we will create fee fields and standard objects, and we will see the difference between both objects. Both things I will cover tomorrow, guys. Okay, so that's all for today. Any questions, let me know. Okay, just a recap what we created today. We created so many fields, right? Like text rich, text long, and text area rich, text area long fields. This is a text area rich. Okay, we can add different styles, and this is a text area long. So you can see you can add more data, but the thing is like, so you can't see rich look. That's it. And you created, what is this one? Mask all characters. What is the field? Text encrypted field, and this is a URL field, and multi select pick list field we have created. And we created a number field. We created a currency field. That's it. And tomorrow we will finish all these fields, and we will see the difference between the standard and the custom fields and the objects. Those things, all things.
మోహన్ గారు,
సార్ వన్ డౌట్ సార్.
Yeah, big.
సార్ వెబ్సైట్ కి కరెన్సీకి సింబల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా సార్, ఎట్లా అవి పర్టికులర్ గా ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి?
ఇందాక చెప్పా కదా
కరెన్సీకి వెబ్సైట్.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అనేది యూజర్ నుంచి వస్తుంది. అది నేను చెప్తాను, కరెన్సీ మీద నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఆ టాపిక్ ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు. ఇక్కడ సింబల్ ఏం రాలేదు వెబ్సైట్ లో. సింబల్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? లింక్, అది సింబల్ కాదు. ఏ సింబల్? C2 సింబల్స్ నువ్వు అడిగేది? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ సింబల్సా?
ఎస్ సార్, అవును సార్.
క్లాస్ వినలేదా?
అవి హెల్ప్
Help text
టెక్స్ట్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.